So hi guys, so this is Arush. So today I'll be going through an algorithm which is called binary search on answer. So for explaining the algorithm, I'm taking the question LeetCode code 875, which is Coco eating bananas. It's a medium level question. So I'll be explaining the problem statement, then I'll be explaining the algorithm, then we will go through the code. So let's quickly recap what's binary search. So binary search is a searching algorithm which takes logarithmic time to search for an element, and one unique property is that it's only applied on a sorted array. So there are many variations to binary search, and it's the binary search on answer is among them. So I'll be explaining what is binary search on answer and how it's applicable in this question. So let's straight away go to question. So it says Coco loves to eat bananas. There are n piles of bananas. The ith pile has piles of five bananas, and the guards have gone and will come back in h hours. So Coco can decide her bananas per hour eating speed of k. Each hour she chooses some pile of bananas and eats k bananas from that pile. So let me explain. So she loves to eat bananas, and there are n piles of banana which are given in the form of vector piles. So the piles of I contains that the number of bananas in the ith pile. So the guards have gone and they will come back in h hours, and it's also given that she can decide what is the per hour eating speed of banana. So which is k. So she will be eating at max k bananas per hour, which is her speed. Now each hour she chooses some pile of bananas and eats k bananas from that pile. If the pile has less than k bananas, now this is important. So read it carefully. So if pile is less than k bananas, then she eats all of them instead and won't eat any more bananas during this hour. So it's given that she can eat at max k bananas per day. Now if a pile has less than k bananas, so she has the option of eating those bananas in the pile, and remaining bananas she could eat from other pile. So but that's not possible. It's clearly given in the question that, for example, I've taken k is equals to 10, so my speed is 10, but piles of I only contains 9 bananas, so I have capacity left of 1, so I can't eat one banana from another pile. So at in an hour I will be dealing with at max one pile. So whether a capacity is getting wasted or not, we can't take bananas from more than one pile in an hour. Now we need to find the minimum integer k for which she will be able to do the task. Now the guards will come back after h hours. So there are some bananas, some piles, and we are given that how many bananas in each pile. Now she has to eat all the bananas and complete the task before the guard come back in h hours. Now she has to decide what are the minimum number of bananas she could eat so that she is able to complete the task. Let's go through the sample example. So piles contain 3, 6, 7, 11. So now and H8. So she has to eat all these bananas within 8 days. So if she eats 4 bananas per day, so in one day she will be eating the bananas from one pile. The second pile will take 2 days, third pile will take 2 days, and the fourth pile will take 3 days. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. So she'll be able to complete the task in 8 days. Now it's obvious that the minimum value of k will be 1, because eating 0 bananas is means we can't eat 0 bananas per day, means it's illogical. So she will be eating minimum of 1 banana, and at maximum she can eat the maximum number of bananas in any piles per day. So the maximum value of k will be the maximum value of piles of I. Let me explain it through an example. For example, my pile is 1, 2, 6, 7, 3, 4. So at max she can eat 7 bananas per day, because the maximum value in piles of I is 7. Now if we are taking k is equals to 8, suppose, let's prove why we can't eat more than 7 bananas. So we will be eating, we can't eat 7 plus 1 in a day, because we can't deal with 2 piles in an hour. We can't deal with 2 piles in an hour. So it will be illogical to take more than the maximum number per day, because anyways that capacity will be getting wasted, and we need to find the minimum value of k. So it's obvious that the range of k will be 1 is less than equal to k, and it will be equal to maximum element in an array. Now now what we can do is we can check, either we can check all of these values or we can apply binary search. Now I will apply binary search. So binary search on answer, which is k. So for binary search we need two things. First, the left point of range. Second, the right point of range, which is called low and high respectively. Now low will be 1, because she can eat minimum of 1 banana per day. There is no point eating 0. Now let's find high. So it will be the maximum element in an array. Straightforward algorithm for loop. So for I is equals to 0, now if piles of I greater than high, I is equals to piles of I. So we have found that range of value of k. Now I will be applying binary search on this. I will be writing straight away while low less than high. This is the normal binary search algorithm which I am applying on the value of k. Now what we take is we write mid is equals to high plus low by 2. Now to prevent overflow, in case I am writing mid like this, low plus high minus low by 2. It's the same thing as high plus low by 2. Now I am checking. I will write this function if it's possible that we are taking value of k to be mid, because we are applying binary search on answer which is k. If we take k is equals to mid, is it possible to complete the task within h hours? So for that I will be writing a function. So if it's possible to do the task by taking k is equals to mid, then high is equals to mid, then the optimal value of k will be less than equal to this value. For example, if I am able to do the task with k is equals to 8, then the minimum value will be always less than equal to k. It won't be 9 because we have already said that we can do the task within k days. Else low is equals to mid plus 1. However, if we are not able to do the task within 8 days, then we have to at least take 9 days. Then return high. Now I will write the code for this function, which is return sub boolean value. Bool is possible. Now it takes arguments, piles as an argument, then it takes h, then it takes mid. Now I need to, for checking that whether I am able to accomplish the task within h days or not, by taking k is equals to mid. By taking k is equals to mid, am I able to complete the task within h days? I need to find that how many days are required. Integer count of days. I will count what are the days required if we are taking k is equals to mid, and if the days are less than equal to h, then our answer is optimal. Means, for example, if I am taking some x, the value of k is equals to mid, which is x. Now if I am able to complete a task with taking k is equals to x within some value which is less than equal to h, then obviously our value of mid is possible. So we will return true in that case, otherwise return false. So for integer I is equals to 0, I less than piles dot size I plus plus. Now if piles of I is divisible by mid, then number of days to eat that pile will be piles of I divided by mid. Obviously, if we have mid is equal to 3 and piles of I is 9, then it will take 3 days to eat bananas in that pile. Otherwise, the count of days will be piles of I by mid plus 1. Because, for example, k is equals to mid is equals to 3 and piles has 10 bananas, then we will be eating 4 days. 3 each day, 9. Then on the 4th day, we'll be eating 1 banana because we can't touch other pile. Now we have find the number of days. Now if count of days is less than equal to h, then we are able to accomplish the task. Otherwise, we are not able to accomplish the task. Now let's check whether our code has any compilation error. So it's accepted for the sample test case. So now I will try for the other test cases. So yes, its runtime is 96% and it's success. So thanks guys for watching, and you can comment a question, specific question for which you want solution. I will post the video. Stay safe, stay healthy.